Hi everyone. Today I have Monty's Breckwell brand pellet stove controller on my workbench. Monty sent me this one saying that the auger was continually feeding pellets non-stop, smothering whatever fire got started, and it was a real concern. So of course that's not the way it should work. So he sent it to me and I've repaired it, and now is the time to do the final testing on it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I've got it connected to my test unit here. I'll go ahead and turn it on, and when I do, I expect the combustion fan, the light bulb that indicates the combustion fan, the auger, and the room convection fan. The combustion fan and the convection fan will come on. So let me go ahead and do that. So I'll power up, and there it is. Those two lights come on. I'm on low right now, so that's indicator is showing kind of dim. If I switch through it, you can see that it gets brighter and brighter and brighter the way it should. So that function of it is working. The other function with the fan is I can press on the controller the high fan button, and that will cause the fan to go to the high position, and there it is, low, high, low, high. That same switch has the manual feed button on it, so if I press that, the auger should come on. The yellow indicator. There it is. Auger off, auger on, off, on. So that's all the tests for the switches. Now I'll go ahead and press the auger button at the center here. When I do that, the green light up here should come on. And when I release, because Monty's controller has a hot rod element on it, it should make my light, which is this guy here, my igniter light, come on. So that would show that power is going to the igniter. So let me press that, and when I press that, like I said, that green light will come on. So press, and on release, there goes the igniter. So all that is functioning well. So now I'm in automatic mode. What should happen now is that we go through about a 30-second timeout, and that'll start cycling the auger on and off, on and off. And when that happens, there's a light right back here above the word pellet. Oh, there it is. You saw it. The light came on, so that's the controller saying I'm driving the auger, and at the same time the auger indicator came on. So it's off. We'll wait for another cycle or two for that to happen. There it is. You can see both LEDs there, both the LED and the auger indicator flashing. One more cycle, and then we'll go to the high-speed mode. So when I switch to the high-speed mode, one more cycle here. There it is. So when I switch to the high-speed mode, it's very hard to see out here, but we'll go from low to high, and we'll see the indicator light get brighter, 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 brighter. And when the auger comes on, we'll see that it stays on a longer time as well. There it is. Notice how it's staying on longer? That's the correct function of the auger motor. When you go to high, the auger drives a little longer, putting more pellets into the stove, fire pit, and the fire will burn warmer. So there we have it. All the functions of the controller have been tested, and it is functional. Monty, I want to thank you very much for sending me your controller. I appreciate it very much. And if you have any questions at all during reinstallation or on how to install and need guidance, give me a shout. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.